to this fifth video of lesson Polynomials of Mathematics Part 1, Standard 9. In our previous video, we have seen what is polynomials, degree, and we have seen the types of the polynomial, as well as we have seen the standard, index and coefficient form of the polynomials. If you are not seeing yet the videos, please go and you can watch that videos. Now in this video, we are going to see operations on the polynomials. Basically, whatever we have learned about operations on other algebraic expression, it is same for the polynomial. So that may not be required much explanation, but we will solve that operations, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division on polynomials from practice set 3.2. Let's go to the question number 2, where we have to add the given two polynomials. Okay, I have taken one example, the rest two sums you can do by your own. Okay. So let's start with the answer part over here. Question number 2, here the answer part. As we have given these two polynomials, this is the first polynomial and this is the second, and we have to add these two polynomials. So when we write this, we should write these two polynomials in the bracket. So we will write x cube minus 2x squared minus 9. This is the first polynomial which we have written, and the second polynomial is 5x cubed plus 2x plus 9, and in between we will write the plus sign. Okay. So the first thing what we have done, we have written the two given polynomials in two separate brackets, and as we have to add, we have written addition sign. Now very simple rule to solve the bracket. First you have to solve the bracket. Simple rule that before the bracket, if you have plus sign or if you do not have any sign, means it is plus, then you will write as whatever signs in the bracket you will copy as it is, because when you multiply any term with positive, so if it is plus into plus, you get the, by rule is plus. If you multiply the plus with minus, the product is minus. So it means when you multiply with the plus, the sign in the bracket remains same. It does not change. So you have to keep the sign as it is. So using this simple law, we will solve this bracket. So we'll open this bracket. So it is x cubed minus 2x squared minus 9 plus 5x cubed plus 2x plus 9. Okay, this is called solving the bracket. Now what we have to do, we have to observe that which is the highest power in the given terms. First of all, we have 3 plus 3, 6 terms. So it is x is to 3, x squared, there is no x, so it is constant term, x cube, x and 9. So you can see x cube and 5x cube. These two are the terms with highest power 3, and that's why they are like terms also, x cube, x cube. So we need to add these two terms as per the rule. Now what is the rule for addition of this? If you have same sign, then you have to add the coefficients, and whatever sign of the same, or you can say bigger term, you can give it for the answer. Now when we have both the signs are plus, same sign we have to add. Here there is no coefficient, means it is 1. So 1 plus 5, it is going to be 6x cubed. Okay. So this is the addition of these two terms. Now let's come to the x square term. We have only one x square term. So this is the only term, as we do not have any other term. So we have to copy minus 2x squared as it is. So after x cubed, we have x squared. Now let's come to x term. Do we have? Yes, here it is x, 2x, and it is the only term. So write as it is. And then the constant term, minus 9 plus 9. For the constant, when we have to add, again we have to check the signs, plus, minus and plus. So signs are different. When the signs are different, you have to subtract. 9 minus 9 will get cancelled, so it will become 0. So that will be your final answer. So this is your final answer of this addition. Once you understand this simple thing, you can do for the other sum for the addition. Now let's go for the question number 3, which is subtract. Okay. So for subtraction, subtract the second polynomial from the first. So here this is the first polynomial and this is the second polynomial. You have to subtract second polynomial from the first. So first we have to write the first polynomial only. So this we will write copy x squared minus 9x plus square root of 3. Another bracket, it is minus 19x plus square root of 3 plus 7x squared. bracket complete. We have to subtract the second polynomial from the first. So now first we have stated as per the whatever operation we were to ask. If it is addition, we will put add, subtraction, we have put subtraction. Now after this we have to do the solving the brackets. Solving the brackets, as I told you, if before the bracket you do not have any sign, or it means if you have plus sign, you will copy the terms as it is. So this will be x square minus 9x plus square root of 3. After this, now here before the bracket we have minus. Now what is the rule for minus? When minus is multiplied with the plus, minus into plus, the rule is minus. And when minus is multiplied with the minus, minus becomes plus. So whenever we have minus sign before the bracket, what happens? If it is originally plus, it becomes minus, and original minus terms becomes plus. So whenever you have minus sign before the bracket, you have to change the signs. Plus will become minus and minus will become plus. For when there is plus, no change. When there is a minus, change. This is a simple rule. So instead of learning all these 4 rules, okay, plus into plus plus, plus into minus minus, instead of learning 1, 2, 3, 4, you have to remember simple thing. When it is plus, there is no change in sign. Okay, there is no change in the sign. And when there is a minus before the bracket when you have minus, you have to change the sign. So this simple thing, if you can remember, most of the mistakes you can avoid. Okay, so as this is 19x is originally minus, we have to make it plus 19x plus square root of 3 will become minus square root of 3 plus 7x square will become minus 7x square. Okay, so this we have applied the rules. Many times students go wrong here only writing the signs, and once you have gone wrong, the next step is also going to be wrong. So this simple rule, if you apply, this is a smart tip for you students. If you apply, then you will not go wrong. Now here also we will do the same thing what we have done over here. What is the highest power of the variable x? It is x square over here, and here also we have x square. Either you can write it closer together, and then in the next step you can get answer, or directly also you can go for the answer. Now this is plus 1x square, this is minus 7x square. Now when the signs are opposite, this is plus and this is minus, we have to take the difference. Okay, when we have same sign, we have to add the coefficient. When we have the signs are different, we have to take the difference. When we have to take the subtraction. Now 1 minus 7 is not possible, so we have to do 7 minus 1, and that is going to be 6. So it is going to be 6x square. But what is the sign of the 6x square? The bigger number is 7, and it is having minus sign. So the answer is going to be minus 6x square. So here the rules of addition, subtraction, multiplication of integers will help you to solve this addition subtractions. Okay. Now let's come to the x term. So here we have minus 9x and it is plus 19x. Now again you can observe that this is minus and plus when the signs are of different signs. So you have to do the subtraction. You cannot do 9 and 90. These are the two numbers. We have to take difference. Difference is going to be 19 minus 9. It is going to be 10. So this is 10x. Now what is the sign of this 10x? As 19 is the bigger number coefficient than the 9, its sign is plus. So the answer is going to be plus 10x. And last coefficient plus root 3 minus root 3. Oh, here also the signs are different with same term. So this will get cancelled and you will get it 0. So this is going to be answer of the subtraction. Okay. Now come to the one more sum I am going to solve for you. Subtraction. This is question number 3, first one. And let's go for the second. Here we have more than one variable, so I am taking this question also. In bracket it is 2ab square plus 3a square b minus 4ab minus, in the other bracket you have to subtract the second, it is 3ab minus 8ab square plus 2a square b. Okay, here we have more than one variable a and b, but it doesn't matter, we are going to solve it the same way. So the first bracket we have before which we do not have any sign, means it is plus sign, and whenever plus sign, no change in the sign. Okay, so 2a 2ab square is going to be as it is, plus 3a square b minus 4ab. Now before this bracket we have a minus sign, so just change the sign, minus, change the sign. So plus 3ab will become now minus 3ab, minus 8ab will become plus 3ab, 8ab square, yes, b square, 8ab square, and plus will become now minus 2a square b. Okay. Now collecting the like terms, or just see which are the like terms, you can write it together and then do or directly. Now here what will be the sequence? As here we have two variable a and b, generally it is written in the descending order of the first alphabetical variable. Now alphabetically a comes first. So just see where we have a's highest power. Here a one time, here two times, here one time. So a square, this term will take first. So here this step a square b. Where is its like term? A square b means we want a square b only. So here we find a square b. So these are the two like terms. 3a square b minus 2a square b. So 3 minus 2, signs are different. Subtract 3 minus 2 is 1. But we don't write 1 as a coefficient. So it will be only a square b. After this, ab square or ab. Okay. So now here we have a one time in both cases. In that case, what we have to do? So let me tell you here. Suppose we have two variables, say a and b. So a we should go in the descending order, and b we should go in the ascending order. Means here a square b, a two times, b one time. Now a one time, b one time we can take this, and then last we can go for this ab square. Actually it's addition, so doesn't matter if you change a little bit order also. So anyway you can go. Suppose I have decided that let me take these two first, and these two signs, minus minus, they have same signs. So minus 4 and minus 3 having same minus sign. So we have to add the digits 4 and 3. Okay. So 4 plus 3 we get it 7, and bigger is 4, its sign is minus. So we get it minus 7 AB. These two are the like terms. Okay. Double dash. Now the remaining two. 2 is AB square and this 8 AB square. These are the like terms. Plus, plus, both are plus, again same sign. So we can add 2 plus 8 is going to be 10, and both are plus. Its answer is also plus 10 AB square. So this is your answer of addition, subtraction of these two given brackets. Okay. Let's go quickly for the multiplication. Let me drop this part over here. Now multiplication, question number 4, multiply. Now here also I have taken two examples. Multiply the given two polynomials. The first one is 2x, and as it is a monomial and this is a trinomial, the trinomial should be written into the bracket x cube plus 2x square plus 2. Okay. Now as it is a monomial by which we have to multiply the trinomial, like algebraic expressions only, we have to multiply by 2x to each and every term into the bracket. So 2x we can multiply directly. Now 2x multiplying by x cube. Okay, so if 2x into x cube, this we can do plus. So you can skip this step, but if you are doing it first time or after many days, don't skip it. Next time we can skip it. Then multiply this 2x with 2x square plus 2x into 2. So we have multiplied by 2x to each term into the bracket. Now what is the product? So 2, here there is no number, no coefficient. So it is 2 only. Now here we have to use the law of indices. What is the law of indices? A raised to n into a raised to n. So when we are doing the product of the variables where the base is common and we have product in between, we have to take the a raised to m plus n. So we have to add the index. For example, if it is a square into a cube. So here we are multiplying a itself 2 times and a is here multiplied itself 3 times. And together if we multiply, so a will be multiplied 2 plus 3, that is 5 times. This rule we have to apply. And here there is no power, it means it is to be assumed here it is 1. So the x is going to be 1 plus 3, that is 4 times. Okay, 1 is not written, that we have to assume. Plus, now here the numbers 2 into 2, 2 twos I will get it 4. This x is 1 time plus 2 times. So x is 3 times. Plus 2 twos are 4, x is alone. So this is your answer. Here we cannot get any like term, all the terms are unlike, so you cannot add it further. Sometimes students add this 2 plus 4, 6 plus 4, 8, 10. Then they write something 10, then x is to 4, or 4 plus 3, 7 plus 1, 8 also. My dear students, you cannot do addition. This is completely wrong because each these terms are unlike terms. You cannot add it further. So this is your final answer. Whichever you have got over here, that's your final answer. Okay. So this is your answer. Now let's have second sum from multiply, and that multiplication is x in bracket. It is x is to 5 minus 1. And another bracket polynomial is x cubed plus 2x square plus 2. Now this is the product of binomial into trinomial. Okay, we have learned the types of the polynomials. 2 terms, 3 terms, binomial. So whenever we have to split the smaller bracket. Binomial 2 terms in the smaller bracket, split it, take the first term x is to 5, multiply the whole bracket. X cubed plus 2x square plus 2. Now what is the remaining term here? It is minus 1. Write this remaining and multiply the whole bracket again. X cubed plus 2x square plus 2. So we have splitted this term here and this here, and we will multiply with the second bracket. Now just do like this, only monomial. So x is to 5 into x is to 3. As it is x common variable, 5 plus 3, it is going to be 8 times. Okay. Plus now x cubed into 2x square. First it is, there is no number here, only 2. Copy down that 2. Now x is 5 times plus 2 times. So x is 2, 5 plus 2, 7. Plus x is to 5 into 2. So it is going to be 2x is to 5. Now when you multiply by minus 1. First of all, when you multiply by 1, there is no change. But when there is minus 1, you have to change the sign. All the positive terms will become negative. And it is 1, there is 1, when we multiply by 1, there is no change in the term. So minus x cubed minus 2x square minus 2. We have multiplied by this. Now let's come to the highest. Which is the highest? 8, then 7, 5, 3, 2. Oh my God, we have got this here only our answer. We do not have any like term in this all terms. Each term is single term. That's why we cannot add it further. So that is going to be our answer of the multiplication. I think let's stop here in this. So in this video we have seen addition, subtraction and multiplication. Now the question number 5, which is related to division, we will take into the next video. Okay, let's stop here. It will take a little bit more time to explain that division part. So I'm going to stop here, and this question number 5 we will see in the next video. Thank you very much. I hope you have understood this and you have liked the smart tips given by doing multiplication and addition of algebraic terms or polyterms in the polynomials. If you like this, please give your likes, your comments are welcome, and if you are not yet subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. Thank you very much.